A very good afternoon, class 7th. Today we will continue our chapter 14, exercise 14.5. So today's our topic of this exercise is decimal number system. This is our today's topic, that is decimal number system. So dear students, do you know the number system we use? The number system which we are using is called the decimal number system. And everyone knows decimal means any number with the power of 10 as the denominator. Right? Decimal means any denominator number in the power of with base 10. Like the place value in the system are based on the exponent of 10. Right? So today we will do the decimal number system, and this would help us to understand the number we use daily. How to represent that? Like, see, one number is there, 34,976, right? So in the expanded form, remember my word, in the expanded form, how you will write it? 4 zeros plus 4 3 zeros plus 9 2 zeros plus 7 1 zero and 6 as it is. Right? This is about your expanded form which you are studying from second class. Right? ये आप second class से study करते आ रहे हैं. But today we will study about decimal number system and how you will represent this number as the exponential form. So see here, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So I can write it like this, multiply with 10 to the power 4. Right? Multiply with 10 to the power 4 plus bracket 4. 3 zeros multiply with 10 to the power 3 bracket close. Right? Now plus again one bracket 9 multiply with 10 to the power 2 plus 7 multiply with 10 to the power 1. Now you will get confused here that what you will write for 6. So 6 multiply with 10 to the power 0. This we have studied that power of any base is 0, then it is equals to 1, and 6 multiply with 1 is 6. Clear? So this is the exponential form. What we call it? Exponential form. This you have studied in the starting of this chapter also. Clear? So the numbers can be expressed using the power of 10 in the exponential form. Clear? Now after this, simply formula to stand, or you can say the standard form. What is standard form? Any number expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0 and multiply by a power of 10 is called its standard form. Means number multiply with 10 base and power with any power is called its standard form. This is the standard form of any number. Remember this form? This is the standard form. This is very important. Like n is what? n is the corresponding decimal, or you can say n is the number, and a is its exponent, power, degree, anything you can say. Right? Now see how you will write in standard form like this. 68 is given, right? So in standard form number, so this number will go back. It will written like this: 6.8 multiplied with 10 to the power 1. Why? This is the standard form, and when you open it, decimal, when you remove the decimal, downside 10 come, multiply 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 will cut and your answer will be equals to 68. So n is the corresponding decimal. It means if the number is like this, 325, right? So I will write here 3.25 multiply with 10 to the power 2. After decimal, how many numbers are there? 1, 2. So 10 to the power 2 if zeros is not mentioned. If it is like this, 302 3 crore 2,50,000, right? Now equals to, up to here number है यहाँ तक 3025 multiply with 10. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So I can write like this: 302.5. Right? So power goes 10 to the power 5. You can increase. आपको क्या करना है? You have to just in the standard form, you have to just keep one number before decimal. Decimal से पहले just one number. That's why they are saying n is the corresponding decimal, right? So now multiply with 10. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. So 3 plus 4, 7, right? Like one more question, see here. That is this: 12,400. Always keep in mind when you are writing any number in the standard form, this is the number 1, 2, 4. I have to keep just one number before the decimal. So I will put the decimal here. 1.24 multiply. 2 digits are there, 1, 2 and 2 zeros. So 2 plus 2, 4. So the standard form of this number is 1.24 multiply with 10 to the power 4. One more concept you can use here for the standard form, that is any number before the decimal, or you can say, listen students, this you have studied in class 6th also, that before decimal this is whole part, or you can say whole number, and this one is the decimal part, right? So यहाँ पे हमें जो comparison करना है, that we will compare with whole part. Whole part will never less than 1, means greater than 1, and never greater than 10. Never less than 1 and never greater than 10. Remember this, 10 से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए और 1 से छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए. Clear this one? So this is the standard form, because 1 से greater है 1.24. Now come to here. 1 is given in your book, that is numbers are here, standard form are there. We have to write true or false. 94,094 multiplied 10 to the power 3. So you will check here that 94 is greater than 10. So that's why false, and false is because whole part is greater than 10, like this. 124 is not in the standard form because the whole part is greater than 10. Next is this 86,300. So here they write 0.863 multiply with 10 to the power 6. So this is also not the standard form, and reason you can write that whole part is less than 1. Right? Now come to this 6.0 multiply with 10 to the power 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 4 zeros given, 1 they put. Right? So when you open it, see here, multiply with 10 to the power 5. So when I remove this, 0, cut it. But here it is given how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also not the standard form. Now, next one. This one, sorry, 2,45,000. So this one is correct, right? And next one that you will write yourself, and this you have to complete in your book. Now come to the exercise. Few things are given here that what do you think about binary? How do you think the binary system, number system works? One, the main is that the word decimal comes from the Middle Latin decimalis, which means of tenths, right? Which means of tenths. Next is you have to do yourself, that is take any two 5-digit number and express them in the standard form, in the binary system and also in the hexadecimal number system. Clear, students? After this, let us recall once again. Expanded form of a number can be written by using the exponents of 10, right? And standard form of a number is expressed as a decimal number between. Here the range is given for the standard form, and that range is 1.0 and 10.0, right? And multiplied by the power of 10. So it is clear to everyone how to write in the standard form. After that, next is in the standard form of a number, there is only one digit to the left of the decimal point, which I told you that only one digit we have to write there. Clear? Now come to the exercise, that is 14.5. In this, the first question is write the following numbers in the expanded form like this, not in the exponential form, in the expanded form. So this will be, see, I am doing here one question for you. Key 1, first part, that is 56,423. How you will represent it? 4 zeros, so you can write here multiply with 10 to the power 4 or multiply with 10,000. Then plus 6 multiply with 1000. That you are writing in second class, third class, same expanded form is there. 4 multiply with 100 plus 2 multiply with 10 plus 3 as it is. Clear? Like this you have to do. Now see one more part, B part of this, that is 85,454. So 8 multiplied with 10,000 plus 5 multiplied with 1000 plus 4 multiplied with 100 plus 5 multiplied with 10 and plus 4, right? This is the way to write in the expanded form. Now the question number 2 is convert the following into the standard form. So here the numbers are part A. Now these are the numbers. So first rule आपका क्या है कि हमें जो है वो डेसिमल से जस्ट बिफोर द डेसिमल वी हैव टू कीप वन नंबर ओनली and rest will be goes as the decimal part, right? Now multiply with 10. Power you will decide how many digits are there after decimal. 4. So power of this is 10 to the power 4. Standard form is very easy. Now come to the next one, that is 5 decimal 44854 multiply 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5, right? 10 to the power 5. Now same we will go with the next number, 4 decimal 86586 multiply with 10 to the power 5. 702 7 decimal 02 multiply with 10 to the power 2. And next number 6 decimal 586 multiply with 10 to the power 3. This is the way to write the standard form of any number, which is very easy. Clear? Now the key third is convert the following numbers into the simplified form. This form is the simplified, right? Now the numbers are given in the standard form and these you have to write as the simplified ones. So see key 3, we have to write the simplified form, right? So how you will write the simplified form, that see, as first question given here, 4 decimal 523 multiply with 10 to the power 4. Now if I remove the decimal here, 4 decimal 523 multiply with 10 to the power 4, remove the decimal 1 2 3 1 2 3 means, or you will write here like 10 to the power 3. Here are 3, here is 4, cut, only 1 10 is left and that we will be multiply with 3 and your answer is 45,230, right? Now come to the B part, 9 decimal 832 multiply with 10 to the power 2. See, for this best reason is, how many are given here? 2 1 2 3 3 digits after decimal, 3 minus 2 1, it means 983 decimal 2. Why? रीज़न बिकॉज देखो यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद 1 2 3, सो नीचे आपकी 3 आ जाती 10 to the power 3. This will cut by this 110 left, so it means like this. Now come to the C part. Let's see one more. 6 decimal 675 multiply with 10 to the power 6. Now check, after decimal how many digits is given? 1 2 3. How many are there? 6. 6 minus 3 3, so 6 6 7 5, 3 zeros will come here, 1 2 3, right? देखो अगर डाउन में आपकी ज़ीरोज़ रहती हैं मीन्स यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लेस गिवन है पावर्स में, और यहाँ पे जो है आफ्टर डेसिमल डिजिट्स जो डिजिट्स हैं वो ज़्यादा हैं, देन व्हाट यू विल डू, तो आपका आंसर जो आएगा वो पॉइंट में आएगा। बट बच्चे अगर हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चन है दिस वन, यहाँ पे डेसिमल पार्ट में डिजिट्स कम हैं और नंबर्स ज़्यादा हैं पावर्स की, सो आप क्या करोगे 6 - 3 3, सो आपका ऊपर 3 0 विल कम। नाउ सी वन मोर पार्ट, डी पार्ट, दैट इज 1 decimal 941 multiply by 10 to the power 2. Now see here, how many number are there? 3. यहाँ पे 2 हैं, सो आपका एक नंबर लेस कहाँ आएगा? नीचे। सो नीचे मीन्स आप क्या करेंगे उसको पुट द डेसिमल इन द क्वेश्चन। क्लियर? दिस वन इज वेरी इजी। नाउ K4, find the unknown values in the following numbers. Like first is here this unknown values A, C, E names are given. So how you will find this? ये देखो यहाँ पे आपका कोई डेसिमल नहीं है आंसर में, इट मीन्स यहाँ पे डेसिमल क्रिएट किया गया है। सो आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4, सो व्हाट यू विल राइट हेयर 4। नाउ इन द पार्ट फर्स्टली आप चेक करो आंसर में अगर डेसिमल है तो इट मीन्स आपको नीचे ज़्यादा दिखाने और ऊपर कम ज़ीरोज़ शो करनी है। 1 2 3 4 5, सो व्हाट विल कम हेयर 5। Now the C part 1 2 3 4 5, so C will become right. So this you can do, so do it yourself. Now the key 5, convert the following numbers into the simplified form. So this type of questions we have also done. Here it is simply mentioned that 5 multiplied with 10 to the power 3 means how many zeros are there? 5 multiplied with 1000, which is equals to 5000, right? Here 5 zeros are there means 4 lakh, 2 zeros 700, 6 zeros 30 lakh, right? Now come to S1. Simplify and write the answer in the standard form. In which form we have to write? In the standard form. 3 multiply 10 to the power 4 plus 4 multiply 10 to the power 3. So now see here, 3 multiply 10 to the power 4 means 30,000, 1 2 3 4 zeros, plus 4 multiply with 10 to the power 3 means 4000, जो पावर है उतनी नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोज़ ऐड करो। सो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा आपका 34,000, राइट। आफ्टर दैट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में देखो हमें क्या करना है, डेसिमल के बाद वी हैव टू कीप ओनली वन नंबर बिफोर द डेसिमल, सॉरी 34 नंबर है मीन्स 3 डेसिमल 4 मल्टीप्लाई विद हाउ मेनी ज़ीरोज़ 1 2 3 and 1 we put the decimal, so 10 to the power 4. Clear this one? Now come to the next one, that is S2. That is also like this. Simplify and write the answer in the standard form. It is given 6 multiply 10 to the power 4 minus 3 multiply 10 to the power 2. So 6 4 1 2 3 4 minus 3 10 to the power 2 1 2. Now subtract it, 0 0, here it comes 3, 10 minus 3 7 9 and 5, right? Now standard form of this. What we have to write in the standard form of this? So standard form means before decimal one number 5.97, 10 to the power 1 2 3 4, 5.97 multiply with 10 to the power 4. Clear? Now S3 and S4 are also like this, so that you will do yourself. Now one is that is of division. See that as 3. 6 multiply with 10 to the power 5 divide by 3 multiply with 10 to the power 5. So see 6 5 1 2 3 4 5. Divide means come at by. 3 5 zeros 1 2 3 4 5. 5 zeros cut by 5. 3 2s are 6. 2 will remain. Now we have to represent this number in the standard form. Can I write like this? Multiply with 10 to the power 1. Right? As it will cut it. 10 to the power 1 will come here. When you solve it, बच्चे यहाँ पे आपका जो है that will come 0, because now see that I am just to explain it. 2.0 multiply with 10 to the power 0 means 1 and 2.0 means 1. So 2 ones are 2. Right? Remember this. Single number आप decimal लगा रहे हो, after that 0 multiply with 10 to the power 0. Right? Now come to the S4 that you can do yourself. Now S5. Which of the following statement is true? Explain. We have to just find which one is true. 5 multiply with 10 to the power 3 is same as 53. Is it true? No, false. 5 multiply 10 to the power 3 means 5000. Right? It's smaller than 53. So बच्चे 5000 so bigger than greater than 53 होता है. It means statement B is correct. And explain. Because 5 multiply with 10 to the power 3 equals to 5000 and 5000 is greater than 53. Clear this one? So students, today we have completed chapter 14. In this chapter 14, if you have any problem regarding any exercise, we have done 5 exercises and these are like this. The first one is about the exponents and power. So exponents or powers are what? This we have studied. Exponents, power, index, they all are equal. Like it is given here, the number which is repeatedly multiplied by itself is known as the base. जो number multiply हो रहा है that is called base. Like here 10 is the base and 8 is the powers. In this exercise we have studied about the exponential form, even powers, odd power, right? And how to find the values. After this, second topic which we have done, that is laws of exponents. In laws we have studied how to multiply the power with the same base, how to divide the power with the same base, and what you will do if power of any base is 0. Right? What you will do when power of any base is 0. After that, how you will solve it if a number is power to the power. After that, we have studied some more laws of exponents, like how you will multiply and how you will divide when the power is same and base is different. So these two exercises plays very more important role in this chapter. After that, next topic, fourth one which we have done, that is about its simplification. How to simplify the expressions using laws of exponents. And at last, the last topic is decimal number system, which we have done today. So from my side, your chapter 14 is completed. If anyone have any problem, you can comment, you can ask.